Head gasket, your engine's protector. The head gasket is a crucial component in your car's engine. It plays a vital role in maintaining the engine's integrity and performance. Your engine has a head gasket. It's very important. It keeps things separated. The head gasket ensures that the oil and coolant do not mix, which is essential for the engine's proper functioning. These things are oil and coolant. Oil lubricates the engine parts, while coolant keeps the engine from overheating. Both are vital for the engine's health. The head gasket seals the engine block. It creates a tight seal that prevents leaks and ensures that the engine operates efficiently. It also seals the cylinder head. This is crucial because it maintains the compression needed for the engine to run smoothly and powerfully. This keeps the pressure right. Proper pressure is necessary for the engine's pistons to move correctly, which in turn keeps the engine running efficiently. Pressure is important for your engine to run. Without the right pressure, the engine can lose power and efficiency, leading to poor performance. If the head gasket blows, it's bad. A blown head gasket can cause severe problems including engine overheating and loss of compression. Oil and coolant can mix. When this happens, it can lead to engine failure, as the oil loses its lubricating properties and the coolant can't effectively cool the engine. Your engine can get damaged. Engine damage from a blown head gasket can be extensive and costly to repair. Regular maintenance and timely replacement of the head gasket can prevent these issues. A blown head gasket has signs. It's crucial to recognize them early to prevent further damage. Watch out for these problems. Identifying them can save you from costly repairs. White smoke from your exhaust is a bad sign. It might smell sweet, indicating coolant is leaking into the combustion chamber. This means coolant is burning. Check your oil. Does it look milky? That's bad too. Milky oil suggests coolant mixing with your engine oil. It means coolant is in your oil. Is your engine overheating? Overheating can cause severe engine damage if not addressed promptly. This could be a blown head gasket. A thorough inspection by a professional mechanic is recommended. Does your car feel weak? A noticeable drop in performance can be a clear indicator. Loss of power is another sign. If your car struggles to accelerate or maintain speed, it could be due to a blown head gasket. Pay attention to these symptoms and consult a mechanic if you notice any of them. You can check for a blown head gasket yourself without needing to visit a mechanic. It's a straightforward process if you know what to look for. These checks are easy to do and can save you a lot of time and money. First, let's start with your engine oil. Pull out the dipstick and take a close look at the oil. Is it milky or frothy? This could be an indication of coolant mixing with the oil, a classic sign of a blown head gasket. If you notice milky oil, it's time to move on to the next step. Check your radiator. Make sure the engine is completely cool before you open the radiator cap to avoid any burns or injuries. Carefully open the radiator cap and inspect the coolant. Does it look oily or have a strange color? This is another red flag. Oily coolant can indicate that oil is leaking into the cooling system, which is a serious issue. Lastly, start your car and observe the exhaust. Do you see white smoke coming out of the tailpipe? This could be steam from coolant leaking into the combustion chamber. Smell the smoke. If it has a sweet scent, it's likely due to burning coolant. If you notice any of these signs, milky oil, oily coolant, or sweet-smelling white smoke from the exhaust, you might have a blown head gasket. It's crucial to address this issue promptly to avoid further damage to your engine. If you're unsure, it's always best to consult with a professional mechanic. These signs mean trouble. Don't ignore them. A blown head gasket is serious. It can damage your engine. You might need a new engine. That's very expensive. If you see these signs, go to a mechanic. Get it fixed right away. Remember, a little fix now can save you big problems later.